Honda North Carolina Manufacturing today celebrated 40 years of production in the Tar Heel State with a ribbon cutting for new weld and paint operations for all-terrain vehicles. These improvements are part of a $21.5 million investment that will complete the establishment of NCM as the exclusive manufacturing facility for Honda ATVs in North America. Honda also announced that NCM would become the first Honda production facility in the North American region to manufacture future electrified Honda Powersports and Power Equipment products.